Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna open this beautiful Minnie Mouse picnic basket. We're also gonna open some really adorable toy surprises.
All say fashion time!
First, let's open the picnic basket. This picnic basket is super adorable and very colorful. Let's see what we have inside. Some paper boxes. This one is for candy, fruit muffins, cake, and here we have stickers to customize the basket and probably the cups or plates. Here are the cups. One, two, and three cups. Utensils are right here. Each has a little bowl. And we have here 1, 2, and 3 forks, 1, 2, and 3 knives, 1, 2, and 3 spoons. We also have 3 plates. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's add the stickers on the plates. One, two, and 3. Time to add these 2 stickers on the basket. 1 sticker on one side and 1 on the other side. Now let's set the table. Set the table for 3.
Oh, my bowl looks like a rainbow!
Let's have a yummy picnic. Don't forget to fold the paper boxes. Time to open these toy surprises that we have inside the picnic basket.
The color pink is always in season.
Tinkerbell chocolate surprise. Here we have the toy and the flyer. Next surprise is a Chupa Chups from My Little Pony. Milk chocolate, the toy is DJ Pawn 3, and here's the flyer. Play Buddies from Sophia the First. With these clay buddies, we can make Prince James. Here's a mini activities book and green clay. See, we just made Prince James as a clay buddy. Hello Kitty chocolate egg. This chocolate egg comes with white and milk chocolate. Here we have the little Hello Kitty and the flyer. Shopkins basket surprise. Two Shopkins, shopping checklist, and the adorable little basket. This is wild carrot. And macaron. This is the last toy surprise, Frozen Fashions. And this is Queen Elsa. She's super squishy. When you're done with your picnic, you can just put everything back in the picnic basket. And then you're ready to go.
Oh, I just love a bow when it's
guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Minnie Mouse right here on Disney Collector.